Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing just great out there. So today I want to talk about how to record your lectures and share your content using your smartphones. So as you know, sometimes we are not having our laptops with us, so we need to share content with our students and we need to record lectures. So it is very important to understand how you can use your smartphone to record your lectures. So what you need to do, all the smartphones, they are having their screen recorders that comes with those mobile phones. If you're not having your screen recorder, you can download it from Play Store. Just type a screen recorder in Play Store and you will find many screen recorders over there. So InShot is a great screen recorder with 4.7 ratings. You can download it. But apart from that, if you are using Galaxy series in Samsung or A series in Samsung, they will have their screen recorder built in. Even in iPhone, they have their screen recorder built in that mobile phone. So what you need to do in Galaxy series, you just need to click a drop down menu at the top of your mobile phone. So you can see there is a screen recorder highlighted in blue. Just click that screen recorder and it will start recording your screen. Apart from that, now you need to have that content which you want to share with your students. So I'm having a PowerPoint presentation here. So just click on the PowerPoint presentation and it will open up. Your screen is already on recording. So you can explain your topic to your students. So it will run just like you are running a PowerPoint presentation in your classroom on a multimedia. So you can run this PowerPoint very smoothly. You can see that. So apart from running a PowerPoint presentation, what you can do, you can share a Word document as well. So let me show you. So this is a document about COVID-19. So you can share a Word document or even an Excel file with your students. So there are many different ways to interact with your student just like that. So this is an Excel file. So you can use that Excel file to describe different elements of that file. So apart from that Excel file, if you think that something that is important and you need to explain it through multimedia content, you can actually run a video as well. So just like that, you can run a
Forman
video.
Christian College, a chartered university challenging traditions for over more than 150 years. The proud tradition of distinction was founded in 1864 by Dr. Charles William Forman.
So apart from that, you can do many other things. For instance, if you want to share something from the internet, from any website, you can open up that website as well, and you can share that content from that website, just like I'm sharing something from the BBC. So in that way you can do many things, just like you are using your computer. So apart from that, if you think that you want to appear on camera for your students, just click that camera and voila, you are on the camera. So you can use that camera as well. So if you want to interact with your students, so in that way you can use your mobile phone and just like a laptop or just like a computer. So if you are having a smartphone, you can record your lectures on smartphone. What you need to have your content ready on your smartphone, and you need to have a screen recorder. So that's it from me. Thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.